An electric bike designed for urban commuters? Or what about this unique and interesting gadget? Well, stick around because we have some very interesting gadgets for you today. All the links to the products are in the description below. Make sure to subscribe. Amazon Echo Dot 3rd Generation. The Amazon Echo Dot 3rd Generation is a smart speaker that uses Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant, to control your smart home devices, play music, make calls, set alarms, and more. It features a compact design that makes it perfect for small spaces, and it can be connected to other speakers for a more powerful audio experience. Anker PowerCore 10,000. The Anker PowerCore 10,000 is a portable charger that can provide multiple full charges for your phone or other small devices. It has a slim and compact design, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. It has a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, which is enough to charge an iPhone 8 almost 4 times, or a Samsung Galaxy S8 more than twice. Philips Hue White in Color Ambiance A19. The Philips Hue White in Color Ambiance A19 is a smart LED light bulb that can be controlled with your voice or phone. It can change to over 16 million colors, allowing you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. With the Philips Hue app, you can schedule your lights to turn on or off at specific times. Or you can use your voice to control them with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant. The bulbs are also dimmable, so you can adjust the brightness to your liking. Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat is a smart thermostat that can learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly. It can be controlled with your phone or voice, and it features a sleek and modern design that will complement any home. The Nest thermostat also has a built-in motion sensor that can detect when you're home or away, and it can adjust the temperature accordingly. Additionally, the Nest thermostat can give you energy reports, so you can see how much energy you're using and make adjustments to save money on your energy bill. Fire TV Stick with Alexa Voice Remote. The Fire TV Stick with Alexa Voice Remote is a streaming device that allows you to watch your favorite TV shows, movies, and more on your TV. It can be controlled with your voice or phone, and it features Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant, so you can search for content, play music, and control your smart home devices with just your voice. The Fire TV Stick also has a quad-core processor, making it fast and responsive, and it supports 1080p and HDR. Roomba 675. The Roomba 675 is a robotic vacuum cleaner that can clean your floors on its own. It features a compact design and can navigate your home with ease, cleaning under furniture and in tight spaces. The Roomba 675 can be scheduled to clean when you're away or when it's convenient for you, and it can be controlled with your phone using the iRobot Home app. The Roomba 675 also has a 3-stage cleaning system that can remove dirt, dust, and pet hair, and it can automatically adjust to different floor types. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a waterproof action camera that can take 5K videos and 20 megapixel photos, and has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing. It features HyperSmooth 3.0 video stabilization, which provides gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. It also has a front-facing display and a rear-facing touchscreen for easy control and framing of shots. The camera is waterproof up to 33 feet and has voice control for hands-free operation. With the GoPro app, you can control your camera, edit and share your content, and access various modes such as time-lapse and slow motion. Bose QuietComfort 35-2. The Bose QuietComfort 35-2 is a pair of noise-canceling wireless headphones that can be controlled with your voice or phone. They feature industry-leading noise cancellation technology, which can block out background noise so you can focus on your music, podcast, or phone calls. The headphones also have Alexa and Google Assistant built in, so you can control your music, get directions, and more, all with your voice. They are comfortable to wear and have a long battery life of up to 20 hours. Fitbit Charge 4. The Fitbit Charge 4 is a fitness tracker that can track your steps, heart rate, sleep, and more, and can be connected to your phone for notifications. It also features GPS, so you can track your outdoor activities without having to bring your phone with you. The Charge 4 also has a long battery life of up to 7 days, so you don't have to worry about charging it every day. It also has a variety of exercise modes and personalized guidance to help you reach your goals. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is a tablet with a 11.5-inch display that runs on Android. It can be used for productivity, entertainment, and more. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, and it comes with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. The Tab 7 has a Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and supports HDR10+ for a more immersive viewing experience. It also features a dual camera system on the back and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera for video calls. The Tab S7 also has an S Pen included, which allows for precise note-taking and drawing. Kindle Paperwhite. The Kindle Paperwhite is an e-reader that features a high-resolution 300 ppi display that makes reading in any lighting easy. It is also waterproof, so you can read by the pool or at the beach. With a built-in adjustable light, you can read comfortably in any environment. The Kindle Paperwhite has a long battery life and can hold thousands of books, so you can always have your next read with you. TileMate. The TileMate is a Bluetooth tracker that can help you find your lost items such as keys, wallets, and more. You can use the Tile app to ring your TileMate and locate your lost item, or see its last known location on a map. You can also use the TileMate to find your phone by pressing the button on the TileMate to make your phone ring, even if it's on silent. Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. The Samsung Gear S3 Frontier is a smartwatch that runs on Tizen OS. It is compatible with both Android and iOS. It features a 1.3-inch circular Super AMOLED display, and it has a rotating bezel for easy navigation. The Gear S3 Frontier has built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring, and it is IP68 water resistant. It also has a long battery life of up to 4 days, and it has a variety of apps and watch faces to choose from. Philips Sonicare Electric Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare Electric Toothbrush is an advanced toothbrush that features patented sonic technology that generates up to 31,000 brush strokes per minute. It also has a variety of brush heads that can be customized to your needs, such as the plaque control brush head for deep cleaning and the sensitive brush head for gentle cleaning. It also has a 2-minute timer to ensure you brush for the recommended time, and it has a long battery life of up to 3 weeks. Nest Hello Video Doorbell. The Nest Hello Video Doorbell is a smart doorbell that allows you to see and talk to your visitors at your front door even when you're not at home. It features a high-resolution camera, so you can see who's at the door in clear detail, and it also has night vision, so you can see visitors even in low light. The Nest Hello Video Doorbell also has built-in motion detection, so you can get alerts when someone is at your door, and it can also integrate with other Nest devices for a more comprehensive smart home security system. Folding Mobility Smacircle S1. The Folding Mobility Smacircle S1 is an electric folding bike designed for urban commuters. It is a lightweight, portable, and foldable e-bike that makes it easy to carry around and store. The bike is made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, making it durable and strong. It has a top speed of 20 mph and a range of 15.5 miles on a single charge. It can be folded in less than 10 seconds, making it easy to take it with you on public transportation or in a car trunk. It also features a built-in LED headlight and taillight for increased visibility and safety while riding. The bike comes with a removable battery that can be charged in 2.5 hours, and it also has a rear disc brake and a suspension system to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. Pillbugs fidget spinners. There are two sets of bearing systems outside and outdoors of Pillbugs. The product has 6 external shells that are interrelated and can be opened and closed at the same time. There are 6 tungsten sword-bearing balls which make a great sound when it spins. So important fun with it. 12 tritium trowels will hide when the shells are unrestricted and bloom when the incentive is open.